Hey everyone, this is Phantom and today I'm here to review this keyboard over here. Also there's a mouse, so it's a keyboard and a mouse combo. So they both came in as a package and they are wireless, called Rapoo 800S. So I've been using this keyboard for a month now and I'm here to talk about it and share my experience. And I think these are very cheap compared to the other mouse and keyboard combos. You can go to your nearest computer store and check the price for yourself. So let's talk about its design first. So as you can see, I can hold it with my hand, using just one hand. So it's pretty small, and as you can see, it's not that thick, I guess. It's okay. And also it comes with different color variants. I think there's like a black version of this. I took the white version because I liked it. Now there's a disadvantage of using a white keyboard is that it gets dirty very easily. Except for that, it looks pretty cool. And also this is wireless, so all you have to do is just connect this with a computer using just this one device. Put this into one of your PC's USB port and you're good to go. Also this is very lightweight. This weighs around like 300 grams or something. And this one has a 1.5 volt battery in it, as you can see. This one too. So at first these keys were a little bit stiff, but after a few press, I think they are quite smooth now. Now before you buy this keyboard, let me tell you one thing, that if you're a gamer, then probably you shouldn't go for this keyboard because it doesn't have that number pad. Also these arrow keys are very small, especially the up and down keys. This is basically for those who just wanna practice typing, just wanna improve on their typing skills. This is pretty good, and also this is good for just video editing and stuff like that. Compact keyboard, a small lightweight keyboard, then you can use it. Also you can use it with your phone if you want to connect it using OTG cable with your phone. You can put this in your bag, use it while traveling, or if you want to use an external keyboard for your laptop, then this is a very good option. And also one more thing is that this thing, the batteries on these things will last for like a year or something. That's what I heard. That is all guys. So thank you for watching this video, and if this video was helpful, then you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Totally up to you. I will see you in the next video.